When embarking on an ERP implementation, choosing the best ERP software for your organization is one of the most important things you can do. Today, I'm going to tell you about the 5 best systems in the ERP software market because with hundreds of different options, it can be challenging to determine which method is best for you. Let's take a look at their advantages and disadvantages. So, stay tuned to see who the number 1 vendor is.
What is WinTeam? WinTeam is a holistic financial operations and workforce management solution for cleaning and security contractors in North America. Includes accounting and financials, analytics and reporting, HR, compliance and benefits management, payroll, job costing, work people scheduling, quality assurance and inventory management. It has employee and customer self-service plus time and attendance tracking. Streamline processes, connect back office to field ops, and pinpoint profitability by the side. Best fit for 100 employees or more. Best for. We serve janitorial and security contractors with distributed workforces. Pros. WinTeam is like an onion. Just when you think you have mastered the system, you discover another better, faster way to get to the results. This is the product I use the most every day. This helps me see hours worked, process payroll, record deposits, print reports, and find eligible employees for health benefits. The program is excellent and gets better. The service is always fast and they know their stuff. Good company that is constantly upgrading their product. Very complete coverage of business needs and great service. Cons. Originally, the fact that it was cloud-based scared us, but we were wrong. And I don't like the limited invoice customization available. It dies often, makes more basic processes more difficult than needed. Cumbersome and often unintuitive to navigate. I know it can deliver many useful metrics, but I feel I'm missing out due to an inability to run them or even know that they exist. What is QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise? QuickBooks Enterprise, save up to 40%, is end-to-end accounting software that can grow your business. It provides all the tools your business needs, yet is easy to use. You can organize your books, manage inventory, track sales, and even run payroll, but at a fraction of the cost. You save thousands of dollars a year with QuickBooks Enterprise compared to comparable solutions. Powerful and flexible, it also comes in additions designed to fit your specific needs. Take a free test drive today. Best for. Additions dedicated to contractor, manufacturing and wholesale, non-profit, retail, and more. Pros. The developers took their time making this software, and I'm glad they did a great job. I love how you can manage the business and personal finances on one platform. And the best of all is you are learning more when using the QuickBooks software. It's the best. The ease at which one can access all of your accounting records is amazing. You can get your financial statements in a matter of seconds. Once you become familiar with the software, you will be amazed at what a useful tool it is and how it can be used to analyze and manipulate numbers to be useful information. Cons. Difficult to explore through various bundles. I was charged $20 and needed to experience a cycle where they input 01 into my record, which was redundant. Nothing major is wrong, but just a slight problem with the customer service. I had a problem deleting my previous account and was told that they cannot delete it. Constant charges to maintain all of the features of the product. Most charges are unclear and come as a surprise charge on your credit card. Software itself is terrible to use. When paying a contractor, I can select which account to pay them out. What is Fishbowl? Elevate your inventory management with real-time data while reducing costs and maximizing profitability. Fishbowl's complete manufacturing and inventory management solution automates and simplifies manufacturing. Fishbowl's inventory management includes advanced work orders, material requirements planning (MRP), bills of materials and barcode scanning, and can be easily deployed on-premise or hosted in the cloud. Best for. Fishbowl is the #1 manufacturing and warehouse management software that seamlessly integrates with QuickBooks and offers secure and cost-effective inventory management to manufacturers, and so much more. Pros. It makes accounting training much easier. From a manufacturing perspective, Fishbowl is a fairly powerful tool that can track inventory and assist in production planning. I love the ease of analyzing each piece of our manufacturing process. Overall, the software is an excellent tool for small businesses to manage and track their inventories. Overall satisfying experience. I would recommend others to use. Cons. The main complaint that I have about this product is not so much the lack of MRP, but the inability for Fishbowl to schedule materials planning automatically. Hard to fix problems without having to talk to the Fishbowl, but they are usually very responsive when I have a problem. Can't pull an accurate report on inventory valuation summary. Excel reports is garbage and hard to sort. Can't sort valuation summary by date, and all reporting features is just bad. The user interface is difficult to navigate and make sense of. What is Sage Intacct? Sage Intacct is a leading provider of best-in-class cloud ERP software. In use by more than 11,000 businesses, from startups to public companies, Sage Intacct's applications help small and mid-sized organizations reach peak performance levels by empowering finance professionals with deep functionality, real-time financial and operating insights, and the ability to automate critical processes. Best 4. From growing startups to public companies, we're the partner for your long-term success. Increase efficiency with a scalable solution that delivers real-time insights into business performance. Pros. I also loved that the guys working in the field could log in on there with pads and enter or look over any documents for approval. It cut down so much of my time. It is the best program I have used while working in the construction industry. I would be very pleased to be able to use this program again. Anyone with multiple locations will benefit from this platform. With some experience, the reports are also extremely customizable to your needs. Intacct is a good platform for all your accounting needs. Cons. I dislike the custom report builder and the lack of customization available on standard reports. I wouldn't mind if there was a light or simple solution, but I can't see where that would undermine the overall software architecture. Even the experienced finance team with years of knowledge with the system gets stuck and have issues. Imagine someone from an external department utilizing it once in a while. Frustrating that invoicing needs to be approved individually. Uploading is difficult and clunky. What is ePromise ERP? ePromise Future Gen Enterprise Cloud, a modern enterprise platform to help businesses of all sizes reach newer heights. The first of its kind platform with business applications, including ERP, HCM, CRM, EAM, CAFM, B2B and B2C management, and many others under one single platform, accessible from any devices, including PC, laptops, tablets, and smartphones at any time. ePromise Solutions is a leading global enterprise software provider. Best 4. ePromise has the expertise to provide you with the best solution for your transportation business, whether it is for 5 vehicles or a fleet of 500 cars. Pros. It's been more than 8 years that we have been using ePromise ERP software without any hassles. We are happy to recommend this software to the construction industry. ePromise is the only way to go. It's an excellent product with great support. Great product, customizable and great support. I will recommend ePromise to any construction company. An excellent ERP system with superb project inventory and financial management features across all. Cons. I have no negative comments about this software. The implementation took a little time, but now the software is running seamlessly throughout our business locations. Due to high-level customization required by our company, the implementation was delayed by a few weeks. Now the software is fully implemented and the whole group operations are online. Complex ERP system will keep a new user confused for a while. Once you are a daily user, you are top of the game. It can be costly for small and medium businesses. It requires technically trained software to implement it across platforms.